Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I'm going to share with you guys another smart home tech product. And this is a tech product for a tech product you may already have or are thinking about buying. And the product that this is an accessory to is this little guy right here, the Google Home Mini. Fantastic device. Basically, if you're not familiar with this, you might be living under a rock somewhere. But anyway, this hockey puck-like device is Google's answer to the Amazon voice assistant. We're not going to say her name because some of you may have it, so I try not to do that. But nonetheless, it basically allows you to control your smart devices, anything compatible with the Google Home, you can control. For instance, I can tell this device to play Netflix on bedroom TV, and it'll actually communicate with the Chromecast and automatically play that. You can play music, you can set up groups. I have these in every room. I can basically anything that's Google compatible or Chromecast enabled, this will be able to control. So I can say, you know, hey, the name Google, you know, play music on all speakers, and it'll play on my sound bars, it'll play on all three of my Google Homes, and you have music throughout the house. So it's a great, really affordable way to get music everywhere and to be able to control all your smart home tech products. And one thing I want to mention too is they did what I said they should have done. And again, not because of me, probably lots of people thought this. They revamped the entire Google Home app now, where you can actually control all those devices remotely with the app. Whereas before, you had to basically use your voice to use the Google Home to control those devices. Amazon was a little bit ahead of them. They had the ability to do that. So for instance, what I'm saying is if I want to go ahead and turn on my desk lamps, I don't have to necessarily say it anymore. I don't have to go to the actual app that came with the bulbs I'm using. I can use one app to control everything. So finally they did it. I'm so happy, and I'm sure the app's only going to get better. So back to this product. This allows you to do all those things I mentioned, and the only downside to this is the fact that you have to plug it in. So what this device does right here, the accessory I'm going to share with you guys here, or that I'm sharing with you guys today, is a device by Kiwi Designs. And I want to go ahead and thank them for sponsoring the video and sending me one of their battery-based stations for the Google Home. And this is a great device. I've reviewed products like this in the past for my full-size Google Home and the Echo Dot, and this is just a no-brainer. If you're going to get an Echo Dot or a Google Home, I would definitely recommend you get something like this, if not this one. And I think this is a nice one I've seen for the Google Home Mini. It protects the device. It's got a nice deep reset where you can basically put that, and I'll show you in a second, that Google Home Mini takes a nice deep impression on the actual device. It's got a thick rubber coating and a 7,800 milliamp battery, which will run your Google Home Mini for up to 16 hours. So this is great because you can bring this into the driveway if you're washing your car. You can basically bring that music anywhere that you have Wi-Fi on your network. So, you know, for me, I have Wi-Fi in the backyard. My network's pretty large, so this device I can bring outside when I'm in the hot tub, put on music, I'm in my garage working. It just makes your Google Home Mini somewhat portable, again, on your network. So really straightforward. I love the design. It's, again, with that rubberized coating. You have your power port in the back to charge it. You have your power button on the back to turn it on or off. And you're going to have 4 status lights that'll light up in a second here, showing you how much juice you have left. Your cord on the inside, which is actually got like a deep recession here, which once you put your device in there, this tucks away inside that groove for a nice flush fit. So basically all you do, real straightforward, you plug in your Google Home Mini here, and you make sure that cord's in the groove, you pop it in, you turn it on, and you'll see the lights flash. Whoops, they did just flash. Whoops. Come on, baby, turn on, there it is. And then the device will actually start to boot up. And that's about it. Now, when I first looked at it, I'm like, why did they put a lanyard on it? And I was thinking, well, why would you carry that like that? Like, you know, what it is basically, they put the lanyard on it, which you can remove it if you like. If you want to go ahead and hang it on a doorknob or on a hook or anything, you can basically hang it on. Maybe you're in the shower and you don't want to put it on the, you know, don't put it in the shower, guys. It's not weather resistant. But again, anywhere you want to hang this, you can hang it. So for me, like in my garage, I have a lot of pegboard, a lot of hooks. This would be great to put at the end of the garage, hang it right there, have music in the driveway, and I don't have to worry about it falling or anything like that, so, or getting knocked off the table. So great design, great device. You can see it really wraps around most of the, I'd say it gets about 3/4 of the Google Home Mini, keeps it protected, and it looks like it just came right from Google like this. So awesome device. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick this up. Price on it is about $35. That's through Amazon, and I believe that includes free shipping as well. The only thing is right now, give it a couple days. It says here currently unavailable. It says the item's under review for some reason, and that's either due to the description or maybe Amazon not being able to fulfill the orders. I think that's more realistic because there's really nothing really to go wrong with this. I mean, it's a 7800 milliamp battery, a power button, some status lights, and that's about it. So it's pretty straightforward. So definitely keep checking back. I think if you're going to get somebody a gift, the holiday season's coming around. This is the nicest Google Home Mini battery base station that I've seen, and I'm hoping that they come out with maybe some more products for maybe some of the other devices like the Echoes and maybe the full-size Google Home as well. So alright guys, let me know what you guys think. Remember, subscribe to the channel, click the bell. You're going to want to do that. This way you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Stay tuned for more smart home tech reviews, more watch reviews, and as always, anything that I get, I always share with you guys. Coming up next, if you haven't seen the video on this, check this out. This is a great device for your Amazon Fire Stick streaming device. It's a add-on remote control. Awesome device. Check that out as well. Especially now that the holiday season's coming around, you gotta start thinking about those gifts. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Buy it through my link if you can there, and I'll try to email them and find out what might be the holdup. Maybe put an update in the description. Drop me a comment as well if you want to get it so I can get back to you personally. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day and take care.